Mindfulness is as beneficial for kids as it is for adults. Just think of this. If you're able to teach kids mindful awareness from a young age, imagine how they can grow in overall mental and emotional stability. If we are in this position right here, right now, where we can learn to cater to the adolescent learning styles of young children, then practicing mindful awareness together can be as easy as 1, 2, 3. Stay tuned for 4 tips and exercises to help kids practice mindfulness. Here with the detail, Ramon Phipps. Getting right into it. Exercise number 1, the 5 senses exercise or 5 senses countdown. This exercise is quite simple and it's hugely usable for kids as well as adults. The 5 senses countdown focuses on your 5 senses. And simply, we can allow ourselves to begin to find mindfulness just from concentrating our thoughts towards physiological awareness. Starting off, 5 things that you can see. Could it be the sky, the color of your shirt, the color of the wall, the texture of the ground, all the stimulus around you? Identify 5 things that you can see. 4 things that you can touch. It's always great to use what's already on you for quick and easy stimulation. The skin, maybe you can get a little bit more intricate, such as the skin on the lips. Your shirt, pants, the texture of the ground, the texture of your hair. 3 things that you can hear. Maybe some voices outside, a voice right next to you, the sound of nature, the quiet, the silence. 2 things that you can smell. Now, you can start off general. Maybe there is a nice scent somewhere in your area. Possibly, you have to go and find it. 1 thing that you can taste. It can be what's already left over in your mouth from a meal you had a few hours before. Or maybe you want to practice some mindful eating by popping in a small little treat and giving yourself time and attention to just enjoy it. Mindful exercise number 2. Now you guys know I love my breath work. You can find many different breathwork meditations here on this channel. This style of breathwork is more so oriented around tactile stimulation. The 5-finger breath. Starting off, assuming the position, place your hand right in front of you, spreading out your 5 fingers or 4 fingers and a thumb. I like to take the index finger on the opposite hand and place it right down into the bottom center of my palm. Now it's simple breath work where you breathe in, hold, and breathe out, and repeat as much times as needed. We're going to use a count of 4 to go through our 5-finger cycle. Inhaling for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhaling for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Inhaling for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhaling for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Inhaling for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhaling for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Inhaling for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale in for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Inhaling for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hold. Exhale in for 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can reverse that cycle and repeat it as many times as you like. Tip number 3. Now this is more of a personalized grounding exercise that's used to, in a way, trick the mind. Sometimes allowing yourself to practice a tad bit of denial towards your benefit can actually be helpful. Now this again is a form of tactile stimulation where you place your dominant hand over your heart, close your eyes, and find a mantra that you can repeat to yourself over and over and over again. I like to say, all is well, all is well. Now sometimes I like to whisper that under my breath. Other times I like to say it out loud. Sometimes I'll say it in my mind. But I also like to combine a little bit of a tap with it. All is well. All is well. All is well. In this position, you can feel your heartbeat. You can really get in touch with your physical state. And especially if you're high in anxiety or experiencing a form of panic, this is a great way to not ignore that, but embrace it with compassion. All is well. And mindful exercise number 4. Now this is one that we've learned since we were kids. All of our teachers used to use it, and it's called the Sound of Silence Challenge. Now, it's always great for an adolescent mind to know that there is a finite end to this very heritable exercise. It can definitely be hard for kids sometimes. They tend to be very impulsive, but you associate a reward with a hard task, and sometimes this is a great form of conditioning. So, I like to always set a timer, maybe for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on the overall stress tolerance of the kid I may be around. And then, silence. In this silence, you'll have the opportunity to shine a light on the mindful awareness. You'll smile and communicate through body language alone. You'll find a sense of connection. It's something you almost take for granted, the nonverbal. Now this exercise is not meant to create winners or losers, but it does help frame a child's mind towards the rewards of concentration and hard, challenging tasks. These are 4 quick mindful exercises to help teach kids how to practice mindfulness. This has been Ramon Phipps with The Detail. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content on guided meditations, open talks, or educational workshops. Stay mindful.